Hi to all. Once again welcome back to Avisan Kitchen. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today we are going to make coconut milk rice in Hamare style. Coconut milk rice is a very popular dish in South India and it is made in many ways. Wow! It looks yummy. So let's start. Here we have taken fresh homemade coconut milk. For making this, take 2 coconuts. Grind coconut pieces with 1½ cup of water, then filter it. And we have taken 1 cup washed rice. Now take 1 vessel, add oil into it. Once oil heat up, add bay leaves, then add spices like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon stick. Then add finely chopped onions and green chilies. Then add cashew nuts. And mix it up. Let it fry it for a minute on a medium flame. Now add ginger garlic paste. Mix it. Then add garam masala powder. Mix it well and fry it for a minute. Now add washed rice into it. Here we have taken simple rice which we use every day. If you want, you can take basmati rice also. Now mix everything. Let it cook for 2 minutes on a medium flame. Now we are going to add coconut milk. So here we are adding 2 cups of coconut milk for 1 cup rice. Mix it nicely. Now add salt as per taste. Now cover with a lid. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a medium flame. Now open the lid. Wow! The aroma of coconut milk rice is simply awesome. Now mix everything once. Here you can see our rice is cooked so well. Now it's time to finish it with some fresh coriander and mint leaves. So here we are adding. It's done. So here is our coconut milk rice. It's ready. Now take it in a bowl and garnish with some fried cashew nuts, coriander and onion. Wow! It's delicious. It's ready to serve now. You can serve this coconut milk rice either with aloo kurma or chicken curry, whichever you like. or you can have it without any side dish also. It tastes good. So do try our recipe and let us know your feedback in comments. If you liked our recipe, do like our video and subscribe to our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you.